Welcome to the Wild West Show. So today we're going to be riding both go-kart and dirt bike, and it's going to be amazing. We don't know if something's going to break, so it'll be fun if something breaks, but see you in a little bit. He took my pet fridge! My pet fridge! Ah! I need my pet fridge. Give me my pet fridge. Oh, my pet fridge! Oh, my pet fridge! Ghost! Literal ghost! Yo! Ghost! My dad's inside right now. He doesn't know the ghost is in there. So, ghost hijacks that and takes pet fridge. No one notices. And then that just happens. Let me think real quick. Let me think. Just let me think about this. So, pet fridge take. What the heck? What is wrong with this fridge? Give me back my pet fridge! Pretty sure this thing got recycled the proper way too. The proper way. My front right tires like wobble.
That tire's dead.
Yo!
Chico, go! You lost something important.
I'm gonna go find the tire.
You got a little issue, buddy. What are you doing over there in the woods?
Funniest fail ever.
Show the people what you found in the woods. What exactly
I
is?
just found my tire.
Hey, question.
What?
Isn't that supposed to be over here?
No.
Let's check this out. Yep.
I think she's done.
Where exactly is the problem at?
Right there.
Right there. How you gonna get it back to the shop now? See if we can drive it back to the shop. I'll sit on the back side. Maybe if I sit on this corner, we can make it back into the shop, one wheel it.
Okay.
Got potential.
Ready?
Go slow. I know your idea of slow is not great. Dude, nice and easy, you maniac. I know, because you're going too fast. It's crazy, you guys.
Gonna get me riding dirty.
Cope, what are you doing?
This.
Nice kick.
I'm doing this for you guys so you guys don't have to. Oh my.
Cope, I seen that little soccer kick you did. That was nice. It was bueno.
Should we take it to the mini track?
This is gonna go well. Thought that might happen. Cope, you lost your time. Whoop. A little slippery after that rain, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, give me a second. Here, hold this.
What's up? I'm doing this so you guys don't have to. Make sure to like and subscribe. Yeah.
It's all you. Looks like he caught you. He gone. Slippery after it rained. Give her the onion. The whole onion. A purple one.
Creating a forest fire today.
Tell them what you got going here, Cope.
We're doing level 2. So we're getting more string, heavier tire, bigger tires, and then we're gonna put it in lower gears. I might fall once or twice. So if I do, all I'm telling you is I'm okay. Cause this intro was actually after like mid-video, so look at how much rope we got.
Would you okay. Securely fastened. What you got going over here? This looks sketchy, Cope. Don't try this.
Yeah, I'm a trained professional.
What kind of knot are you using there?
Simple. Just regular knot. Your basic shoe knot. But 500
Like
more times.
That one they teach you in when you're a kindergartner, like a rabbit
No.
runs around the pole and goes down through the hole kind of thing.
No.
No.
Rabbits don't climb.
I've seen tree climbing goats. You telling me there aren't tree climbing rabbits?
I mean, maybe they'll get stuck in a tree from like an eagle, but there aren't any tree climbing rabbits. Ready? Oh God!
You,
It's just making me do simple.
you gotta go away from it. Don't get easier, you'll break your string when you first get the slack out of it first, or that rope will break. Yeah, just take off that way, but ah! It's gotta go bad. So far, so good. It only flipped up once. Hadn't caught you yet.
Give me that. Here you go.
Welcome to Wild West Show Tire Pull. This was all Cope's idea, by the way. He made me do it.
What if we try pulling each other in the sled?
Cope. That rope popped and it got me right on the back of my leg. It hurt so bad.
What if we got the sled and we tried pulling each other?
Little Timmy,
Yeah, little Timmy.
I think I should try to pull you.
Alright, I'll go get him.
Now what you got going, Cope?
You got the sled.
What are we doing with that?
Tie that rope onto this and that.
Oh boy. You taking this one?
What?
You taking this camera?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm ready.
Tell the people to wish us luck. This could get sketchy.
I might die. Oh God, come on, bruh. Oh! Oh gosh.
Oh, buddy. Give me that. You got, what are you doing with that grass all in your helmet? Holy moly, that was a good one, huh?
Yeah,
Got this thing all jacked up.
I fell off right there. Boom, 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 boom.
Okay, well, I'm going to tow you and film us both now. Okay, this looks safe. I got this, don't worry. I once shot a class 45 rapid. I should be able to handle this, huh? That was a good one. I hope I got it on camera. There, you pull me now.
Alright.
This ought to go bad. Bruh. Bruh. You turkey.
Yeah.
Made it, Cope. We should go on a trail ride like this. Peace out. That was the Wild West Show.